Okay, I'll try.
Oh my God.
Stop it.
Stop what?
You're talking about me in Morse code. But you know what? Joke's on you, because I know Morse code. Ha!
Yeah, that's what we're doing. In our very limited free time and with our very limited budget, we went and got a nanny, and then we went out and took a class on a very outmoded and very unnecessary form of communication just so we could talk about you in front of you. Yep, that's exactly what we did.